Hello dosto, so as you can see on the screen, we are here with CMA Intergroup 1 whole day study timetable for June 2021 examinations. So many students were asking about the timetable for June 2021 examinations. So here I am, and in this video we will be discussing about CMA Intergroup 1 whole day study timetable. In the next video we will discuss about CMA Intergroup 2 whole day study timetable, and in the last video we will discuss about CMA Inter both groups study timetable. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So as you can see on the screen how it has been made, first of all we will be taking 1 month for two subjects, then 1 month for other two subjects. Now the first month, if you start your preparation from 8th of Feb 2021, then we will be taking it till 10th of March 2021, right? So approximately 1 month, and this has been made considering the students who study in morning and those who study in night. So this is applicable for both of them. As you can see on the screen, for the morning risers, the timings are, the slots are, there are 4 slots for both of the students. First one is 6 to 9 a.m, then another is 11 a.m to 2 p.m, then 4 p.m to 7 p.m, and then 8 p.m to 11 p.m. So these are the 4 slots for morning risers, and for the night risers, for 7 p.m to 10 p.m, then 11 p.m to 2 a.m, then 3 a.m to 6 a.m, and then 6 a.m to 9 a.m, right? So first of all, for intergroup 1 we will be picking two subjects, that is financial accounting and laws and ethics. So how you have to do that? As you can see, first on Monday pick law and ethics, then financial account at around 6 a.m to 9 a.m for the morning students, and for the night students from 7 p.m to 10 p.m. For the night students can do the numerical at this time. If they want to, they can shuffle according to themselves. I have just made this so that you can get an idea that how to prepare. Now financial account, then again 4 p.m to 7 p.m for morning ones, and 3 a.m to 6 a.m for night ones, laws and ethics, then again financial account. So in this way you will be studying these two subjects, paper 5 and paper 6 of CMA Intergroup 1, Monday to Sunday, 7 days for 1 month. And how you can complete this syllabus in 1 month, you can check my videos which I've already made, that how to study financial accounting in 30 days or whatever days are required, and you can easily complete these two subjects in 1 month, right? Because if you are studying two subjects, how many hours? 3, and then again 3, 6 hours, then again yes, 6 hours per subject you are studying. So it is easy to complete the syllabus within 1 month if you are studying 6 hours subject, 6 hours each per subject, right? So total, if I will take total of 30 days, then 6 into 30 you are giving 180 hours, and 180 hours is huge for a single subject. Now coming to we have ended it here on 10th March. Now we will be starting with 15th March. Why 15th March? Because there might be some circumstances on the days which you are not you may not be able to study on those days. So just giving a time gap between 10th March and 15th March कि अगर थोड़ा delay भी हो जाता है, so you can start on 15th March, and from 15th March to 15th April, again 1 month to be given to another two subjects, that is direct tax and cost accounting. So here is the slot, the same slot is here. Now you have to pick direct tax or cost accounting, and you can interchange if you want to interchange the subjects according to your understandability. And then from Monday to Sunday, 1 month, 15th March to 15th April, you will be doing direct tax, then cost accounting, then again direct tax and cost accounting. So again 180 hours for each subject will be there, right? So by 15th April you will be easily able to complete the group 1 preparation. And I have made individual videos that how many days you should give to a particular topic, so you can also watch. I will just share it here, either you can see it in the ID button or in the description box. Now revision plan. Once you are done on 15th April, then you can start your revision from 17th April. 1 day gap is needed. Now starting with 17th April till 5th May. right? How many days will it be? 17 to 30th, around 13 days, and around 20 days you have to give. It will be more than enough for revision. FA and Law and Ethics, and 6th May to 25th May DT and Cost Accounting. So in this way you can revise your subjects. Okay, this is just an idea that how you can prepare, but I would suggest that make your own study plans, because it will be more beneficial for you, because you know yourself better, right? Now an important note: start practicing MTPs, previous year question paper, from 26th May 2021. Once you are done with the revision, just start preparing MTPs, previous year question papers, from 26th May 2021. Exams will be from around, I think, 11th, as it used to be. Now we will see when it will be conducted, but most probably the date is 11th of June. So from 26th May you have 10 to 15 days you can practice, and also give 1 hour daily for the MCQ in between the above schedules. What does it mean? Whenever you will be preparing these subjects 6 hours daily, then and 6 hours to one subject and other 6 hours to another subject, then in between the time of this 12 hours only you have to give 1 hour to MCQs, right? So how you can do like you are studying laws and ethics, study it 2 hours 30 minutes, then give 30 minutes to MCQ of laws and ethics. For financial accounting, give 2 hours and 30 minutes to to the normal subject, normal syllabus, I mean the questions and everything, then give 30 minutes to MCQ, right? So in this way 1 hour will be given to MCQ on daily basis. So this is the best thing I can see, best timetable for a student who want to maintain their daily study. And this is all. And if you like the content, then do not forget to share it with your friends, so that they can also take the benefit of the same. And do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. See you all in the next video.